Here, sit. And finish your homework. All these papers. While Daddy plays Resident Evil Requiem in VR.
The graphics still need some tweaking. So yeah, this is Resident Evil 9 in VR. Right now, the mod doesn't support any upscaling. At least that's what the description says. So by default, it gives off strong PlayStation 2 vibes. And it's only running at around 45 FPS, even on my 9070 XT.
Lucky. I just found out it works with the OptiScaler today, so check this out. I have 3K per eye resolution with the game running at whopping 140 FPS with the FSR 4.1.
And most importantly, the game looks so much better, fixing all the noise issues I had on day one. I'll leave a link to all my settings in the Panda Discord, in the games channel. Check the video description. Now keep in mind this mod just released, so it's still very rough. Just look at the arms and Leon's body model alone. But at least the performance is amazing. Even RTX lighting is possible now. This might be the first modded game that runs this well with RTX in VR. Still, I'm going to wait for more fixes, from the hands to the player model. You also can't properly turn in your real room yet, and the axe physics are pretty wonky. All of these issues are currently being worked on. In the meantime, you can try the Resident Evil mode for Blade and Sorcery. I already have a full video playing it with Panda full body trackers. By the way, the trackers will also work for kicking and running in place in this official Requiem mod. So I might make a video about that later too. And I still need to finish Resident Evil 9 in flat screen. I'm only halfway through the story. So for now, I'll be waiting for future updates. I'll leave you with some more footage using FSR 4.1 upscaling, along with non-upscaled footage from yesterday, so you can see the difference. And if you watch until the end, there's the scariest part of the game, in VR.
Hope I'm not next. Felt that one, huh?
So you thought fighting zombies is scary? Just watch the trad wife horror section? Okay, that is some serious psychological horror. Being a woman and having to take care of kids, prepare all the meals with my secret homemade sauce, while the kitchen is completely dirty and the little rascals have painted the walls again. They're going to grow up to be real artists. So proud, though. Meanwhile, I have to wash all the dishes in the toilet because all the faucets are broken by these drunken uncle's friends, partying until they pass out every weekend. Who is going to clean all this mess now? The uncle himself is passed out, sleeping in his own vomit. Of course, none of his drunken friends leave the house either. Stop! Stop making such a mess. I'm tired of being a housemaid. So tired of these drunk animals, wandering around like zombies.